Need CapCut Pro features for free? Here's a simple trick that might save your project. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Go to the Text tab, add a text layer, and type CapCut Pro. Now select a Pro font like Modern. Next, add the bounce left animation and set the duration between 0.5 and 0.8 seconds. If you try exporting now, you'll see a message saying you've used 2 Pro features. Don't worry. Go back to editing, select everything, right-click, and choose Convert to Compound Clip. Then right-click the compound clip again and click Pre-Process. Scroll down, enable Motion Blur, and set the blur amount to 0. Once both effects are applied, go back to the home screen. Now open Settings, find your project folder and copy the path. Press Windows plus R, paste the path, and hit Enter. Open your project folder, then go to Resources, then Video ALG. You'll see 2 files there. Close CapCut and reopen it. Then drag the file that doesn't end with .alpha into the same project. After that, delete the old compound clip. That's it. Try exporting again. If everything worked, the Pro warning should be gone. Let me know in the comments if it worked and follow for more tips.